All right. We're here today with Team Sounds Good. So, everyone, please briefly introduce yourself and your role on the team.
Okay, so I'll start. I'm the captain of the team. We're building a fashion generator app. This is my team, and it's called Sounds Good. I hope it sounds good.
Sounds good.
I'm Presh, I'm from India. I'll be dealing with the front end part along with James.
Priyesh, how long have you been doing Next.js for?
Uh, Specifically, Next.js, I would say around 1 year, and React around 2 years.
Cool.
I'm Yulia. I'm from Ukraine. I am a creative part of the team person who is who came up with the idea and who is gonna help with the business side and presentation to make sure the final project looks.
Basically, making sure that we're making the right thing.
Yeah. Just watching on everyone.
So, I'm just gonna make like a new fork from that repository. Oh wait, I can't fork. You cannot fork your own repository into your own GitHub. That's silly. But I can do this. I can make a new repository like this. Okay, sounds good. Fashion generator. And then, Priyesh, can you try and see if you can get this, this repository? I send it to you here, and in all the other chats, I'll send it as well. Can you see if you can get that one running? I will also get it running. I will also run it as well. But then we can make sure that you have all of the API keys and everything. Maybe in the meantime, Burhan, you can demo the prototype that you made yesterday. How does that sound?
Yeah, we can do that. Give me a second.
You can just walk us through that.
Sure.
So
James, question: can you do can you stream at the same time to the different YouTube channels or like different channels from?
Yeah, I can actually.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
Here, let me show you. I can show you, but it'd be a little weird right now. But yeah, you can stream on.
Yeah, I can see it on my stream. Stream this to your audience, so I would imagine that it allows me to connect my own YouTube channel.
We can go on Twitter. We can go on Twitch, LinkedIn. Yeah, why not?
And it has unlimited number of no, probably limited, but do you know the limits to how many different channels you can stream at the same time?
Well, I have StreamYard Pro, and that one seems to be able to do a lot of things. It says 8 destinations. 8.
Nice.
So, yeah. So this is the repository. Just cloned it, and I'm gonna open it in VS Code and run it. Or let me show really quick how, Priyesh, let me show you really quick how you can add the keys to that. So yeah, we can add the keys to that repository. So here, okay, you see?
It's loading.
No, do you
Yes,
see
now
my
I can
screen?
see.
Okay, cool. So I should be
Yes,
able to
yes.
do npm run setup. That did not work. I probably have to do npm install. Maybe I have to do that in setup as well. Say I do npm run setup. Then that gives me the option to like configure like Postgres database. We're not going to configure authentication right now, but then I can put in I can get like an API key, which I can give you for OpenAI. And yeah, that should I just paste that in there. It will allow me to, it will create it's really simple, but then it will create the .env file here. And now if I do npm run dev, it should work. No database, but that's fine. Here, Chrome tab. This, yeah. So database isn't set up. I have image generation. Works. Were you able to get that that checked out? Oh no, we lost Priyesh. I think he has a bad internet connection.
Yeah, let me get in contact.
What about? That's all right. He'll come back. Do you want to show? Do you want to show your demo, Burhan?
Yeah, I'm just getting the link. It'll be 2 minutes.
Let's see. Okay, we got him back. Yo, Priyesh.
So where did you paste the Open API key? In some env file or in the terminal directly?
Do you want to? Can you share your VS code?
Hey, just a minute. Let me run npm run setup first.
Yeah. Yeah. Did the npm run setup work for you?
It is loading. Just a minute. I did npm install, but after that npm run setup is not working. The same error I think that you got, cannot find package inquirer.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Just do cd setup and then npm install there. Maybe I can fix that so it does them both at the same time. Npm setup. Did that fix it?
I'm npm installing again
Yeah.
after changing the directory. You can continue. I will let you know.
I got nothing more to say. That's my whole demo. But maybe Virhan can show his. Or I can show his. I don't want to do it until he's back.
No, it's the ngrok service is like logging out, so it's taking me a
Oh,
while. Yeah,
it
yeah,
just worked. Okay, so ngrok is like a free host that times out after a couple hours. Is that it?
yeah, yeah. It times out.
Yo, you should try. You should do Replit. Um, it also times out,
Yeah,
but at
the
least
one you sent me out. Yeah.
it also times out, but at least it's semi easy to use, reliable.
Yes, now it's asking for Postgres database URL.
Yeah, so just hit return through until it gets to the API key, and then I'll send you the API key you can use.
Select the authentication methods needed.
Just skip that, hit return. But you
Yes,
can
now
come back to
what is
that.
your
You can come
okay.
back to that screen later when you need to add those. Um, so let me send that to you on Discord. Okay, there. Just send you the secret key. Got it?
Yes.
Cool. I mean, actually, I could also give you the keys for GitHub sign-in as well, but it's not like critical, mission critical.
Do you want to write these variables to .envs?
Yeah. So just do Y.
Yeah, the link should be working, but it's a different link.
Oh, cool.
I've shared.
Hey, Deepinder. What are you doing today? Um, let's do. Yeah, let's have a look at yours. Real quick, Farhan.
Yeah, you want me to present it? I can do that.
Yeah, that would be great.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah, so Deepinder, we're in a GPT-4o Hackathon right now, with less than 24 hours left.
Are you all able to see the screen?
Now we can.
Okay, so it starts off with the login page. It doesn't have the sign up at the moment, but it's just a dummy thing, so we can get a concept of it. So
Cool.
you can log in with anything, and it will prompt you to the second page, which will ask you a good amount of questions. So we'll start with what is your gender, and then we can go for 18, what your region is. We can select anything, and then how do you want to feel in your outfit. So we can go with confident, and then how do you want others to perceive you. Let's just go with bold. uh, what does your lifestyle involve. Now this is a crucial thing because it will generate the prompt based on what you actually do. So we'll go with, we have a bunch of interviews, we have uh, football, we have weddings to attend, we have college, and what occasions do you typically attend. So we'll go with
Nice.
college and lunch. So let's just get, and after we click the get started recommendation, it's gonna go and generate the responses based on the data I got. So here, so it goes with style name Urban Dynamo, and it named the style, and we have the wardrobe essentials like blazers and jackets, and the details are specific, so we can actually generate an image based on the prompt we receive. So it's like it's nice. I can generate the image, but we're using OpenAI's API, and it doesn't generate the image at the moment. So we'll be using uh, another AI to generate. So yeah,
Cool. Yeah. So Deepinder asked, are we building an image generator? Yulia, maybe you just want to go over again what it is we're making.
Yeah, we are building an app which would be coming up with the fashion recommendations. And how it works is like it analyzes the appearance of the user, some personal traits, and comes up with a sketch like of the like recommended outfit for them. That's where the image generator comes from. At the moment to generate an image based on input qualities that the user provides us with.
Okay. So based on the form that Burhan just showed, what should we keep, and then what do we need to change from that? At least for just the first sketch.
I,
The questions are good. I would just add a couple more questions.
More questions.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And also the image, of course, right? We want to be able to eventually add an image, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, we can do that.
I I remember also we were talking about uploading the image. I would do it as an optional feature, so
Okay.
the person can upload the photo.
Priyesh, did you get this working?
No, there's some issue with globals.css. I think it has to do with Windows. So let me debug it.
Oh no. You wait, what's going on? What's the issue though?
The issue is something like module build error, globals.css, fail to load external module, something like this.
Do you want me to put this on Replit? I think it would work fine on Replit.
Uh, Let me try for about 2 minutes,
Okay,
then I will
sure.
let you know.
yeah, I can
Yeah,
show
if
you
you,
guys the image. Meanwhile, I've screen shared. We're using Stable Diffusion at the moment, and see what actually comes up with the prompt that it produced. So it was like a recommended outfit for based on whatever it suggested. So it went with that. So that's just an idea for now, and then we'll be implementing it shortly.
wonderful. So is that the outfit that you can use for either weddings or football games? Was that it?
No, it was like it chose one of it, which was
Mhm.
weddings and formal. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, cool. Um, so what I have here is actually so we'd be using mainly we'd start with this image analysis thing that we have going on here, and but oh okay, I think I have an image of our team. So we put that in. I've put in a very specific prompt under let's generate. Okay, okay here. So actually, I haven't put in. I put in a very general prompt, and it will pass that to GPT. However, we can just add another text box onto this page. So let's do that. think I'm gonna share my whole screen. Just close all of my non-hackathon related stuff. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, Priyesh, if you're there, I will just describe a little bit the structure of the code as it is now. It's not
Okay.
too complicated. It's Next.js 14, and I have just a few UI components, spinner, etc. And then here under app, we have a page. I guess that's a general page layout, and then we have 2 pages. We have analyze and generate. We're on the analyze page, and this is the main content of the page, and we are going to want to add a text box to here. So something around there. Okay. And there it is. So we'll want to make that look much better. Where did we get this style from? Is this Shadcn? Yeah, this is. Must be Shadcn. So maybe I can copy the input from the other page. Copy that. Put it here. Okay. So we're gonna probably generate a bunch of form inputs for this. Did be very okay. What's your name? Oh, it's not even important. What's the first question on the form?
Yeah, it was gender. Gender.
Okay. What's the first one that's like a text box?
Yeah, let me see. It was like your region. Yeah, it
What's your
was
region?
region. Yeah.
What a question. Okay. What's your region? Of course, we can make that into something that's not a text box, but
Your desired style.
oh, that's a good. Yeah, that's a good one just to have. If we just want to have one. Just wanted to have one to start out. So set style.
Hmm.
Okay. What's your desired style? And then that is going to be saved in the state style. Set style. Okay. And we have like style text box, and then we have an image. So we want to pass both of those to ChatGPT, and then get some text back.
Hmm.
Um, I have like a form submission function here, and the form submission checks if there's an image uploaded, and then oh no, this is This one is to upload the image, and then this one is to generate text. Okay. Forgot how I implemented that completely. Generate this first. Text and passes an image. Completely forgot what this all is. Call generate resource function with image. No, we're on this one. It's called the text endpoint. Sure. This one just takes image. So this should oh, okay. Input. Okay, this only takes one input, so I need to extend it to have multiple inputs so it can take the image and the text. I think what the best way is to do that. I think probably here. Oh, check how the API looks. So this one takes the image generation image URL. This is what it returns. So generate image takes one input. Generate text actually takes prompt and an image. But we want to pass in. Let's see here. We want to be able to pass in a whole bunch of values into here. So I would say input. That's the image. I'll just add in style. Make an outfit or like really fashion advice. The desired style is style. And then going back where we were. Here. I have to pass in multiple things here. So input, style. Did I do it? No. Style. Any. Okay, that's style. String. This one should be optional. Forward. Optional. Like this. So close. Here. Okay. Okay. Style. Short. Uh-huh. Okay. Yo, Priyash, how are you?
It did not work.
Didn't work?
Yeah, the
That's
same issue.
interesting. Yeah, this always happens when I work with people that are using Windows.
Yeah, it has something to do with Windows only.
Um, but this is actually a default template from Vercel. So I just tried adding it wasn't very interesting, but I just tried adding together the text prompt and the image prompt together into one command.
Yeah, I was following in between.
So yeah, it's just messing around, remembering this template that I made a month ago. So I think I can just try this.
Go on then.
See if we can get some advice, some wedding advice. Okay, let's see. So it looks like wedding. I don't think this worked. I think something didn't update here. Yeah. Because I have. This is right, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Text. I'm going to try restarting the server. It's kind of odd because I changed this prompt. Let's see. Let's try now. That's strange. So I have a prompt. I wonder if it's using the prompt. Generate text. Uh-huh. Prompt. Seems to work. If image messages 0 content equals image URL. Doesn't seem right. Ah, okay. That worked. I had some old code that was not passing through the prompt. So here, if you can see, we have Jar Jar Binks, and it's recognized him. And then it said, here's how you would adapt this look to a more conventional wedding outfit. Okay. Maybe an ornamental detail on his attire, maybe a lighter or pastel shades. Some cufflinks. Okay. And then it hit some limit. Okay. So that works. I can commit that. But we should we should get you set up, Priyesh. You want me to put this on Replit?
But would I be able to comment from there?
Sure. Yeah. Have you used Replit?
Yes, I have used.
Yeah, they have Git integration. It's not pretty. It works. So let's see. Okay. Stop screen presents. Okay. Here. All right. So this is. I'm gonna try it. So landscape fashion generator import. So I'm just gonna do the same thing. Only thing is we don't use the setup won't work here because it just needs I don't know if it would work, but we should use the Replit secrets. OpenAI API key. Who's got a bird?
Me.
Cool. What's his name? What's the bird's name?
I mean, it's quite common name to call Mithu to a parrot here. So
Mitu?
Mithu, yes.
Mitu.
So yeah, it's very typical of calling a parrot Mithu in India.
What does it mean? Does it mean parrot?
Yes.
Oh,
It actually means sweet, right?
Yeah, I guess it has. Not sure. But in Hindi, it is we call it Tota, but it is very common name. People often call it Mithu. I
Tolta?
don't know exactly why. Yeah, the the Hindi for parrot is Tota.
Oh, okay, but the name. Okay,
Yeah, but the name is Mithu.
so are like all parrots named that, or like most parrots?
Most parrots.
If you had another parrot, you'd come up with something else,
Yeah, I might.
or you call them
Mithu
both
too. We can go with Mithu too.
Mitu. Man, Node.js and Windows. I've had so many problems with it this year. Cool. Okay, so let's see if that works.
I guess that's why people prefer Docker so much.
I guess. I mean, or Mac. But Docker is kind of is slow unless you have a good setup. Okay. Yeah. It says please complete the setup, but that's just for the database, which is a different part. Now I can't see the navigation. It looks like it's just gets hidden. If the window's too small, that's not good. I didn't make this temple, by the way. Vercel made this part. So cool. But we can just make this we can kind of just make this the default page and hide this corporate layout. So how about for now, Priyesh, I'm gonna add you to this, And then we can do multiplayer.
Yes.
Cool. Send me your email address or your username.
Try this. I think it should be this one only.
I think multiplayer is more fun, anyways. Okay, here. Okay, invited. And I'll just push those changes that I made, and then I'll commit those changes that I made to the Sounds Good fashion generator. Let me just show what I am doing. Share screen. Okay. So I'm going to delete this code. Seems wrong. This code, messages 0 to content. If image, messages 0 dot content. Yeah, I don't like this code. Let's delete it. Okay. Okay. Seems wrong. Okay. Combine text and image into one prompt. Okay. Push. Then back to Replit. Here on the left side, there's a little Git. Like I said, it's not pretty. It might be better just to use the terminal. Okay. Git pull. Yeah, that was easy. Git stat. Oh. You'll be fine. That worked. Okay, so now I was just wondering actually, because this is 4o Hackathon, are we using 4.0? Under lib API, auth API. OpenAI here. We are using 4 turbo. Okay, we can change that to 4.0 if it works now. Let's try. Priyesh, are you in here? Oh yeah, you're in here too, right?
Yes.
Cool. Yeah, it's we just need to, maybe if I refresh this whole page, then it will stop loading. I think I'm just gonna try hitting the big run button, see if that does it right. Sometimes Replit hangs, and I think it's just because the free tier has such limited resources. Here you can see like I'm using 100, just by running one app, I'm using 100% of my limit. Yeah. So kind of stalls out. But CPU is going down. RAM is at limit. Okay. I think that means that it just ran out of resources. Is it
You
running?
can work locally. You can work locally.
Is it working for you?
Let me check. But it's there's a high possibility that it won't work me for me either.
That's, well, we want it to work for you.
I'm also getting the same thing.
Really, you're getting this too?
Yes. It's quite common for the free tier if there are some amount of users. It usually shows this.
Oh, really? It shows that error?
Yes.
It's weird though, because it works the first time.
Let me check again.
It's done that to me before, where the first time it works, and then after that it just gives up. It's not really great for Replit, because like it doesn't tell you that you need to upgrade. It just crashes. I'll just try Replit deployment.
I wouldn't need to configure any setting here, right? Because I joined your Replit.
Well, you'll need to add the environment variable, but not yet. Like you don't need to add it immediately. I wonder if I make a new Replit, if that will. This is so slow. Hmm. There's always Code Sandbox, but I'm afraid that also has been slow for me too. Let's try it. All right. Code Sandbox has more of a configuration page. We don't need. Wait, why does it know which? Oh, these are all probably blank. How does it know which environment variables I need? How did it know that? Okay. Skip project setup. So like when you're using Next.js, do you often have like that kind of frustration?
Related to what? No,
Um,
if I create something from scratch, or then I don't get usually these issues.
Interesting. Yeah.
Then I get issues which are common for both Mac and Windows.
Yeah. Okay, open preview. Hey, okay. Well, Code Sandbox is working right now. You want me to add you to this one?
It's actually better. It has 4 gigs of RAM. Replit
What?
had like it has four gigs of RAM.
Oh, really?
Check.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Replit had
Replit
what?
had one. Yeah, yeah.
Damn, like I used to like think Replit used to be really good for this kind of stuff. Maybe they decreased, or maybe I had Replit. Maybe I had their pro version. I didn't know. So let me just figure out how to add. Yeah, so let's do this one. I'm gonna add you to that. Okay, it says you're invited now. I'm gonna see if I can add. Hey, do you guys know if you can add secrets in Code Sandbox, or do you edit the .env?
Let me check.
I think probably so many people use Replit that they eventually have to get stingy on the credits and stuff.
Yeah, I've shared the guide. You can follow through.
What guide to add secrets?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, there's something on the left side that I don't see. Do you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah, Burhan, there's just I don't see that thing.
That's why I sent the link. I didn't see it either.
Yeah, I'm not feeling this user experience. But if it works in VS Code, that would be really cool too. Should I try that? No, I just want to get it to work. Maybe it's because it's a virtual machine. Okay, Code Sandbox has like different kinds of containers, and I'm just gonna try adding it manually. Open the key. Can I add? Let's see if that works. Yeah, I think I don't understand how Code Sandbox works. Nice. It is running faster. I don't know if you guys feel that, but I feel that. Oops. Okay. Okay. What's the desired style?
He's going to a party.
Going to a party. Okay. In the USA. Let's check the logs. Okay. Working. Okay. His outfit might not align with typical party wear in the USA. Think along the lines of a stylish jacket, trendy jeans, or a chic dress. I could see Jar Jar in a dress. Okay. Okay, Priyesh. Don't tell me this doesn't work.
I'm trying. Just a minute.
It's gotta work. Let me check the comments. A comment from John. He said, hey. And Deepender said, signing off. Wish you all good luck for the hackathon. It's 10 p.m., so he often checks out. John says, you guys doing the coding, what I love to learn and do. Wait, John is Yassine? John, are you Yassine?
You what?
Little plot. John is Yassine. Okay. Well, good to see you here. And he's a man of many names. Oh, he said his laptop is dead. Okay. You can also join on the StreamYard if you want. It's really messes me up when people have different names on the Discord. So I'm going to go to the bathroom and hopefully Priyesh can get something working. All right, Burhan, you got to keep an eye on the comments while I'm gone. Okay. What's new? Okay, guys, what's the plan?
It's running, I guess.
It's what?
It's running now.
It's running for you?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Yo, Burhan,
I'm
let's
able
have.
to see your preview, whatever you're seeing, I guess.
You can see this too.
Yes. No,
Cool.
not exactly that thing, yeah, but I can review whatever you're doing.
Okay, cool. Yo, Burhan, let's have a little quick meeting. Are you there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm there.
Okay, let's make a plan.
Yeah, sure.
Um, so we got it working for Priyesh. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have it's nighttime for you guys, right?
Yeah.
Daytime for me. So we should figure out what. And the deadline is tomorrow. Everything's got to.
Tomorrow, yeah, tomorrow 9 p.m. for us.
Yeah, right. So there's less than 24 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Or that's our plan.
Our plan is to integrate whatever the changes we're gonna make to the template right now, and you and Priyesh are gonna do that, right? So we have to add the questions, and we already added the image integration. So it should be able to generate the image. And about the search engine part, I gotta hear what you have to say about that, because we can get it done like the image part and generating image, but it comes to search engine, I'm not sure how we're gonna do that.
Well, right now we're not moving very fast, to be honest. So I guess that just depends how much time Priyesh has, and if you want to. I don't know if you want to if you do JavaScript. I guess you don't really do much JavaScript, right?
No, I don't.
So yeah, I guess that basically comes down to how much time Priyesh has, right?
Yeah.
Next day.
So I need to work on the design, right? The landing page and all.
Yep.
What do you mean by landing page?
I mean, the initial page is very basic, I guess.
What do you mean by initial page? You mean the page that we're on now?
Yes, this also, and before this also, from the where the routing was starting. If someone is opening the app, the which page is coming first after
Well,
sign in?
I would suggest that for now we just delete the other pages, right? Because
Yes, and the logo and things like those.
to make it easier. I mean, we can, yeah. So here's my not this crap. What's the I look for the Next.js template. Okay,
We are able to generate the prompt. So
here.
after this, the out of the functionalities, the main functionality is that only. No, we only need to generate image.
Only need to generate. Yeah, I mean, right? It's not too much work, but I mean, it's nothing difficult, but there's just like a lot of stuff. So we can basically just delete this left bar, right?
Yes.
This page would be combined. You know, I don't know if this is the most this is not the best image generation model, Dolly 2 or Dolly 3.
You should be able to use the prompt generator.
What'd you say?
It did generate a prompt. It did generate a prompt, right? Image analysis. You could use that.
Yeah.
Let's see what it does with that.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, so we can basically just delete this. Then basically this will be the page. We can make this the main page, right?
Yes.
And cool. All right. So what part do you want to get started on? I can do the part that you're not doing.
I'm thinking of deleting the pages and just improving the UI because the part related to after image generation, I don't know how to do that. I only know the styling and the things related to JavaScript.
Okay,
So what needs to be done currently?
Captain, tell us what to do.
What
Yeah,
things are needed to be done?
we need a bunch of questions like the one Yulia provided earlier. We need to integrate that,
Oh,
and then it would prompt generate a response, and then from that response, it would create an image.
okay, I can create those components
Yeah,
for questions and receiving the input somewhere.
that works. And I'd also say we could probably make it a lot more cute. The UI, like now it's kind of professional, but it'll be it'll be better to it'll look better if it's cute. It'll be easier to make it cute than look really fancy.
We can do that, but like we need to get the important stuff done earlier, so we could have time for that as well.
Yeah,
So after sign in, I the user should reach the page with the questions, right?
yeah. Okay. How much are you guys in India? How much are you guys planning on working more today? I guess that's kind of what I meant by like making a plan as well, right? Because I'll be sleeping when you guys are awake. You'll be sleeping when I'm awake, right?
Listen, James, you just simplify this template, whatever page are extra,
Yeah,
you just remove those things, and then I can work 2 to 2.5 hours, and I will complete the component for getting the questions and
yeah,
receiving the input, so that
yeah.
tomorrow you can continue from the logic after that.
Okay. Right now we can work at the same time. I mean, for the next
Okay.
hour
Yes.
because I'm here, and this is collaborative. But yeah, sure. Do you want me to fix the? You want me to fix the flow basically?
Yes. Whatever there is, the things are extra, you can remove them, so
Okay,
it's easier
that
to.
works. Works for me. Hmm. I think I would rather.
I created a file in components. Is it visible for you also in UI questions.tsx?
No, wait. It should be though, right? Here,
Yeah,
let's
I mean refresh. Is there
let
an
me
option to
refresh this.
refresh?
I should see you in here though, shouldn't I? Right?
Yes.
I see you in the workspace members. I don't actually see you in the sandbox.
We just created it. I mean, some notification is coming.
What if we both go to the same file? Like, what if we both go to? So I'm in app/page.tsx here.
I mean, I guess I'm getting an option to commit these changes. I think once I commit from here, then they will be visible.
Really? This is supposed to be collaborative. I guess not. Wait, but you can't see where. But committing shouldn't. If you commit, then you have to push, and then I have to pull.
Uh, yes.
And I don't have an option to pull. I mean, I can go to the command line and I can do. We can just use Git that way. Does code sandbox. Maybe it's because this is maybe it's because this is a repository. You see here it says repository.
Yes.
Maybe that
I
actually.
I guess when I'm making changes here, it is creating another branch out of your repository.
It seems like that's disabling the multiplayer experience. But what we could do is we could maybe I don't know. Do you want to just do it that way? Should we just do classic git merge
Yeah, we can try that.
instead of the multiplayer? That's fine with me. As long as not. Yeah, it should be fine. Let's just do a regular git merge. I'll just use VS Code. We lost Burhan and now he's back. Okay. I'm just gonna use VS Code.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you guys have heard of it, but there is like an extension on VS Code called Live Share. You guys could like work together on the same repo this way. It's called Live Share. It's easy to set up as well. Like,
I've used it. The only issue is that his local setup isn't working.
Check now. Maybe now it should. file should be visible. Just a minute.
Yeah, sure, I'll check.
In components.
Did you commit or no? You didn't commit.
No, I didn't commit. I changed it to main branch on which you were.
Oh, okay, here. No, still no.
Check on code sandbox.
What?
Check on code sandbox itself.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I am checking on Code Sandbox. I still don't see it. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm getting option for uncommitted changes.
Yeah.
I guess it will only work after committing.
Basically, I think if you open a Code Sandbox from a Git repository, then it uses Git instead of multiplayer. And the only way we can just create a new. I think you have to choose if you're going to use Git or if you're going to use multiplayer. That's what I think.
I'm thinking if it is multiplayer, we would be having less issues, but it's also not working.
It's the same to me. What do you want to go to multiplayer? Is there some advantage of it?
I'm don't know about the advantages. I just think if it works, then it would be easier to commit changes without any conflicts and all. We are working on the same file.
Yo, Yulia, if you could join me on Discord and we could work on the responses that we need, like the questions and stuff.
Yeah, sure. I'm working now on the questions. I'll join you
Yeah,
on
yeah.
this.
Join Discord, yeah. Thank you.
Whenever I'm changing on code sandbox, it is creating another branch.
Yeah, that makes sense. Let's just use Git merge. I'm not really
Okay,
afraid of Git merge myself.
okay.
So I'll be muting this space for a while so we can work on that. I hope that's okay. Good luck.
Yes. How will git merge work if it was not running for me locally?
Well, you're working on a different branch, right?
Yes. Okay, so you will merge the
We're
branch.
still working in the same repository, so we'll just merge branches. I can do the merging if you want.
Okay, yes.
I'll just commit to main. Let's see. So page here, app page.
you will be able to get much from Discord sandbox repo, right?
As long as
Because the branches which are created here aren't reflecting on my GitHub.
did you push?
No, I'll try pushing it.
Okay. All right, this is what I have now.
Okay.
It's better. Hmm. I'm gonna add something that generates an image on the same page.
Okay.
Pretty cool. Um, what's that?
Yo, James, can you hear me?
Are you on Discord or where are you?
Yeah, I'm on Discord. So,
Where's that
we have
voice
like
coming
15
from?
questions.
What?
We're like, yeah, it's from Discord. We have like 15 questions
Cool.
that we're gonna use, and from 15, like two of them are textual. So, I think I should be sharing that with Priyesh so he can work on that.
Yeah, Priyesh is working on the input side and I'm working on the output side.
Okay, so Priyesh is not on Discord. How do I get that to him?
But
He can use.
He's
No,
also
no. I'm hearing you.
but he's
No, he's not.
but he's here in the stream.
Yeah. Wait, you could just tell him like to use the Google Doc. I've added that in the last.
Tell him I can hear him.
Hey Priyesh, use the Google Doc.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
can hear him. I
Perfect.
understood what he's saying.
He says he can hear you.
Okay, perfect.
I'm sharing you my screen. First, just let's commit one change so that I can work peacefully then.
Oh yeah, okay. Oh, there's Yassine. Yeah, I don't see your screen yet.
Yeah,
There he is. Okay. Okay.
so let's say I made these changes.
Yeah.
Now, how do I commit?
Yeah. Commit and push.
They are saying to use something like this, but when I was running this, I'm
Oh
still getting
man.
error.
Oh yeah, because you're not signed in with your GitHub account, maybe. Hmm.
I had synced for this, and I had configured for this also well. But this is the option for pull request. I had configured for the commits and all.
Okay, yeah. Let me find that real quick. So Code sandbox authenticate.
I believe they want to verify my identity first, but when I'm running this command, still they are not recognizing.
Um, yeah, no, that's just like a setting. It doesn't. You have to actually log in with GitHub somehow. But
Set your account's default user identity.
man, this is like such a bad UX.
I mean, it's not at all intuitive.
Nah, just because the whole Git thing is just completely separate from the sandbox. They haven't really integrated it.
I
So
had given permission with Git. I'm
you
not
did
sure if
that
that's the
already
issue.
with
Yes,
Git.
yes, because when I was committing, first it was asking to integrate with GitHub.
Okay, so what if you put in a what happens if you put in a commit message and then click commit and push?
Uh, it's
Put
not
it
clickable,
put in
and even if
something
I click not,
put in some text there. Put in a real commit message. Oh, it still doesn't let you?
yes.
Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Go to your dashboard on Code Sandbox. I think this is no, not like this is literally what I'm seeing, but um if you go to your your like user profile settings somewhere on Code Sandbox, yeah, maybe dashboard. Can you
Profile. I'm at the profile page.
yeah, let me see what I have um, on my Code Sandbox. 'Cause mine is just synced up. But then again, you're also not a collaborator on this repository. So so actually, even if it is synced up, you don't have permissions to push to it. So let me see what I can do there. It's the same email address on GitHub.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Uh, that should that should be necessary actually, no matter what. Let's see what we can do. In chat. Okay, so now go to your GitHub and then accept the invitation. Nice GitHub. Okay. Yeah, now just try it again. Code Sandbox. That worked. No?
I think it happened just now. Commits.
Oh yeah.
I guess.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, it worked.
You can see the file.
Yeah, that was the problem the whole time. I just hadn't added you to the.
There are so many steps involved. Anyone will
No,
get
it was just
confused from where they were collaborating. Yes.
it was just silly on my part because obviously I need to add you to the repository. Set image. That doesn't matter. What am I doing? Image loading. Okay. Yo, Yasin. Sorry, John.
You still cannot hear you.
I think Yasin can work on the PDF things, the doc, slide, presentation, whatever that is.
Yeah, I'm trying to reach out to him.
He's being very still.
Yeah, he disconnected. Okay, I'll
Because
talk
the
to him.
basic
in fact.
idea for the PPT would be quite similar. There will be minor changes, so he can start with that.
James, I made while you were doing, I was doing coding, I was just doing research on how to do presentation now with the help of other AIs. I created in 3 sections outline of presentation. To whom I sent to check does it will work out or not.
Oh, you said you made an outline of the presentation?
Yeah, outline of presentation in 3 sections.
Cool. Are you working with Yulia?
Could you?
Okay, we have some feedback between the stream and the.
Wait, is it just me?
No, it's for everyone.
I'm gonna turn off that microphone. Hey, Yasin.
So, whom I am
James, deafen yourself from Discord.
Oh, okay, I'm gonna disconnect from Discord. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think he needs me for the presentation though.
Yeah, I'm trying to reach out to him, but wait.
Okay. Cool. Hmm. Oh, that's not supposed to happen. No. Huh? What's that mean? That's dumb.
James, if I use .jsx for few components, it won't cause issue, right?
It's better if you use TypeScript.
Okay.
I'm not sure, actually. I've never done that in a TypeScript project. I normally just use ChatGPT to convert the JavaScript into TypeScript. Works pretty well. Generate image simple. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hmm. Uh-huh. Okay. This prompt. Okay.
After successful sign-in, redirect the user to this question.tsx component. You work on other things. We can do it later once the component is complete. No issues.
Yeah, right now it's just going to be one page, and then if they're not signed in, it's going to make them sign in and then redirect back to the same page. Okay. So we got something happening here. I got both image analysis and image generation now. Now it's just a bit of prompting. Generates. Nice. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do JSON mode. Yeah. In OpenAI, let's do JSON mode. JSON mode. Here. Here. JSON mode. Let's look at what Julia asked for. Here. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Let's do something like this. Okay. Error. Eek. Cool. All right. This is a picture of me. Please recommend the desired scenario is. Please recommend an outfit for me. Recommendation. Okay, let's try it again. Okay. Color palette. Deep blues and silvers to complement the character's natural skin tone. Silhouette. Formal robe. Okay. Hair and makeup. Enhance natural features with a glossy finish of the skin. No additional hair styling required. Okay. And then gonna add outfit image prompt. Let's see what that does. See what it comes up with. Jar Jar Binks in a sophisticated robe, enhancing his unique features with colors that reflect his aquatic and playful nature. Okay. I think increase the max tokens to 1,000. Tell it to be verbose. Try it again. Okay. All right, looks good. Okay, I got the new prompt. I'll use that prompt in the generation page. We have no generation as here. Analyze page. Okay. Yeah, set generated text. Dot parse. It's gotta be image prompt. Like this. Try it. Let's see what that does. Stop screen, present browser. Here. Okay, let's give it a shot again. Hopefully, this will generate a recommended. Oops, got an error. This is the image, outfit image prompt. I gave it the wrong. Let's try it again. Okay, star jar. Going to fancy restaurant. So we should get a recommended style for him at a restaurant. Okay, we need to, it should generate an image. Outfit image prompt. Didn't work at all. Let's see. Oh, I know what it is. My JavaScript. Share screen here. Mm-hmm. There. Okay. Farhan, you are back.
Yeah, can you hear me?
And check it out.
Oh my god, that looks great. That looks great.
Wouldn't this look good on him?
Yes, that would actually be bangers. You gotta get in contact.
I mean, it's
That
just
looks great.
it's just
Okay,
his
listen. Yeah. It's like it's better. It's a bathrobe, but it's royal.
I mean, I
Looks
did
good.
going to a fancy restaurant. Maybe I should do on a
Yeah.
date. Let's on a date.
Let's see.
Okay, this is loading. Ooh.
Yo, bro's gonna get everyone with that fit.
Yeah. That's a lot for a first date. No. Maybe to a basket.
True.
I guess he can't really wear much aside from like robes. I guess he
Mhm.
could.
Let's see.
Um,
No, no way.
it kind of has
They've
his
got,
steps.
yeah, yeah. His arms are the problem. He even got the watch.
All right. So
We
yeah,
do
it's,
have constraints. Yeah.
so I'm just doing the output part, but it seems to be doing something. How's everything going with you? How's the rest of the team?
Okay, can you hear me? I disconnected for a second.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so Yulia is working on the project presentation with Yassine, and I'll be working on the cover page and some other stuff that we need to organize. And after we're done with that, we're gonna plan how the video is gonna showcase the whole project. So yeah,
Okay, only thing I'm worried about is like the whole thing needs to be kind of done before making the video, or no?
yeah, we need to have the working project before making the video, but we're just planning out how we're gonna uh, what exactly are we gonna talk about in the video. So
Okay.
because the video is like explaining the project first and then like showing how it's done, so we could divide that in parts.
Okay,
Yeah,
sure. Yeah, I guess we just need some good examples. That's all.
yeah.
Oh, okay. And generate image from recommended outfit. Okay. For now, I'm just gonna see if I can get this one hosted on Vercel.
Sure.
Should be easy. Environment variables. OpenAI API key. Way. Okay. Working on something. And what happened actually? Okay. Okay. Cool. Cool. Hmm. On a new image. Choose file. There. Going to a cocktail party. Let's see. Whoa.
No way. Bro. I thought we
Bro.
were gonna see some hair. Yeah.
It said no. It said hair and makeup and a. That's pretty funny.
Oh,
I mean,
not sure what's happening.
yeah,
Try using human images.
yeah. Sure. Maybe I can take. Oh, I think I got one. Hang on. Okay, who's this guy?
Yo, that's me.
What scenario might be?
Yeah, I like to go on a cocktail party.
Oh, too late. We're
Yeah,
going on a hike.
let's just do hike. Yeah, fair enough.
Okay, adventurous hiker. Functional and comfortable. Okay, I think that works.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yeah, it looks great. Like definitely wearing that.
It's very you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, perfect.
Hey, Julia.
Hey, hey. Um, what input data is it using now?
Very little because Priyesh is still working on the input page.
Oh, okay.
Right now, we're just doing this one field, and I started
Mm.
to put in. I started, so this could be like a table. I don't know how you want to display it, but I started to put in like the different outputs, color palette.
Yeah, cool. Looks awesome.
Um, yeah, how's it going with you?
I started working on the presentation, but yeah, I just started. So
Cool. Yo, here's a friend of Yassine.
no, no,
Says big fan. I hope he
Yeah,
means
he's
me.
a,
I
yeah,
think
he means you
I think he means
for
Yassine.
sure.
Maybe he's Yassine too.
Yeah, that's probably also. Seems all. We have 3 people watching. I think they're all Yassine. So, um, should we make a plan? Because I think I won't be on too much longer right now. But then, which makes sense though, because that then after Priyesh is finished, then maybe I can merge his changes.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Should we make some kind of a timeline for the next
Yeah, sure.
see when people are going to sleep? Because I'm thinking like, well, actually, so for me, like the deadline is at 11 a.m. So I'm not going to have
Hmm.
much time at the very end, right? Well, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's like 11 a.m. tomorrow for you, right?
Yeah, or another way of thinking about it
Hmm.
is when I go to bed tonight,
Hmm.
it's going to be when you guys are waking up. So,
Or
yeah,
yeah, what time is it? Like it would be
it's going to be
12,
yeah,
around 12, right?
it's 8 8 hour difference. Oh, no. Yeah, more. Yeah, it's like a 10-hour difference. So, that's what I mean.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So if there's something I have to do before I go to bed, then let me know. Probably that means probably the whole thing
Yeah,
has to be
we're
yeah.
taking part. We're taking care of like the presentation, the video, and the other stuff, right? So we have to get we have to submit the GitHub repo for. I'm talking about the development side. We
Sure.
have to submit the GitHub repo, the project itself, and it should be hosted on some public site so that they can check.
Yep.
And I will complete the questions component and
Is
Yeah,
design before sleeping.
yeah,
okay,
Priyesh, you
perfect.
can check the Google Doc because there are like 15 questions and two of
Yes,
them are
yes, I'm copying
textual.
from
But
there only. I'm just figuring out one thing.
fair
Um
enough, fair enough.
yeah, I guess what I'm thinking is like basically the app kind of has to be finished before doing the final part of the video, right?
Yeah, it has to be
To
finished
record
because
someone using the app.
yeah, we have to demonstrate.
Okay. Um I know that there's a lot of input, there's a lot of changes that still have to be made to the UI, but
Hmm.
maybe maybe you guys can already start testing with the version I just deployed and see what, um, yeah, just give some preliminary feedback.
Okay.
once again,
I'm
James.
unable to open this
Sorry,
route, James.
sorry.
What'd you say?
Continue, continue.
I said that I didn't hear you properly. What were you saying?
I don't know. I was just saying there's already a version it's very much unfinished that's running live. Here, everyone can try it actually. This is the version that's running live. Nope, this one.
Okay, cool.
It's very much unfinished, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe people can try it. The difficult thing for me is we have to get before, like, you probably want to include parts, screenshots, and stuff in the presentation, right?
Well, no, I see it more like we don't necessarily have to include it into the presentation. It's like
Good.
video will consist of presentation and demo.
Okay.
So we don't need to put screenshot of the app in the presentation itself. We can just later showcase it.
Okay. Works for me.
James, have a look at this. Why this route is not opening? So I'm running the server. I have created a questions folder in the app folder,
Yeah.
and I have put the code in page.txs.
Delete
TSX.
delete error.tsx. That thing is an issue. Just delete that whole file. Now try it again. Basically, whoever made this template was being very lazy,
Okay,
and
now
they made
at
it
least
so
the page is coming.
every error gets replaced with with this
Okay.
fat screen. Yeah. Cool. I think I'm gonna go say happy birthday to my friend because it's her birthday, and
Yeah, perfect.
I guess Priyesh will finish up what he's doing.
Yes, I will complete.
Cool. Should I end this stream for now?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sure.
Everyone.
Peace out.